Hello ladies and gentlemen, then Ade Ogboye here. In this video, I will show you how you can create this type of church app. So basically, I've created this two type of app, a Redeem app and a Celestial Church of Christ app. So I'm going to show you how you can create it. So let me open one of those app, which is this Redeem app. So I actually created this app using AppCreator24 on my phone and it is free. So you can see this particular interface, a beautiful interface like this. And in this, your app, there are 4 sections. So we have the section for the Imps. So you can section for the Imps, section for videos. We have the Holy Bible and we have section for announcements. And these are the basic things that your church app or your mosque app should have in any cases. So for example, I want to click on hymn. I click on this hymn and I just included 2 hymns. So you can include as more hymn as you want. So this particular hymn, you can actually go through it. And if you want to go back to home, go back to the home. So if you're pressing back, I just come and click on this button, which is home button. So when you click on this home button to bring it back here, and if you want to go to hymn, you can actually click on this button down here. Let me show you the button. You can click on this button down here to go to hymn. So when I click on this button, I come back to this hymn here. And basically now, I also included videos. So you can put videos. So when you click on videos, these are hymns video I actually put. So you can put any video of your choice. You can even put a full film. So I will show you how you can achieve all this in this video. So let's say, for example, I want to click on this piece like a river. So this is the video. It's going to load for me. And I can basically play it. So this is a video I put, and basically it is free. It's from YouTube, and you don't have any issue whatsoever. So I can put that video, and the next thing I actually included in this app is Holy Bible. So if you're a Christian, and this app, of course, is a church app, so a church app should have a Bible. So I actually included this Bible in this particular app, and it is beautiful. Now, the last section I included in this app is announcement. So this is where you can put announcements, maybe special Sunday service. So you as the admin, you can put announcements as the church secretary or anybody that have access to it. From the admin panel, you can put announcement, and anybody have the app is going to see it. So I want to create this beautiful app. It's beautiful. I love the way it's beautiful, simple, and straightforward. So it also have a search icon, which means you can search for anything. Let's say, for example, I want to search for blessed assurance. So I can search for it and it's going to go to blessed assurance. So blessed assurance is a video. It's going to come to a video that I can play. So I will show you how you can achieve all this in this video. So before we get started, it's important you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're here to subscribe, like this video. And if you have any question along the line when watching this video, ensure you comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. Yes, you can actually upload your app in Google Play Store. People can download it, and you can also integrated ads. So for example, let me show you this particular app that I created. So this is the one I created for my church. You can see this is I had to include the full app, and the full app I actually put an ad. You can see a ad showing on that. So you can actually put ad in your own app. So I will show you how you can achieve all this in this video. So guys, let's go right into the video fully. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Google Play Store and go to AppCreator24.com, or I'll put the link below. Just click on the link below and you'll be brought here. So when you are here, if you're a new person, just come down here and sign up. So you can just sign up, put in your name, put in your details, then confirm your email, and you'll be opportune to come in. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in into one of my accounts. So I'm going to sign in. And it's just basically straightforward. There's nothing difficult in it whatsoever. We'll make use of sections. So this is the app that I created that you just saw in the demo of this video. This is the app. So I'm going to create something very similar to that app. So let me just click on create app. So if you use the first time of actually coming to this particular software, you will automatically be brought to this place. So yeah, I'm going to put the name of the app. Let me just call it Redeemer app. Then here you're going to choose an icon. So if you are creating a church app or a mosque app or any app of any choice of any organization, I advise you that you should put the logo of that app, of that association or institution as your app launcher. So just put that as app launcher. So yeah, I'm going to click on choose file. So I've already downloaded a logo of Redeem. So I'm going to click on choose file, and I'll just locate where I downloaded the logo. So this is the logo I downloaded. I'm just going to upload it, and so when that has been uploaded, sometimes it's just funny. You may not want to go. You have to try it again. You do it up. No, not this one, please. All right. So I'm just going to choose it again. Come on. Choose file. Then you click on file. Then this is the logo I want to use. Then when you are through with that, you have to give your app a description. So I can just call it "Welcome to RCCG Complete App in Nigeria." Okay, and click on next. So when I click on next, this is just going to go to the next place for me. And basically, it's going to tell you the steps to follow. but don't worry, I myself here will guide you through everything. So you go to save. Now you are going to choose a style. So let me just choose this blue style. You can choose any style of your choice, but I'll stick with blue because later on you can change it. Then when you're in this place, don't click on anything. Just come here and click on create an empty app. So when you're here, just come back here and click on go to app manager. So this place that will begin to design our app. So we'll be making use of section. Now everything you are seeing here, let me show you this app. Everything you are seeing on this particular apps are sections. So I have section, section, section. All these things are section. So now the first section I'm going to create is come here and click on section. So when you come here, you are going to see this button, this section button here. So this is section. I'm just going to click on section and section should open up for me. So the first section I want to put there is the Bible section. So I'll click on section here and click on web. So when I click on web, I'm going to give this place Bible, since I want it to be Bible. Then I'm going to put the Bible URL, which is HTTPS. Okay. So you can actually come to Google and just search for it instead of you trying to, do this and that. So this is the URL. So so this is the URL basically. You can see the URL. So let me cancel all these long something there and only get the URL. So I'm just going to cancel all this. So the URL is kingjames.bible. So this is it here, King James, just http ://kingjames.bible. So just do that basically. If you need me to put this in the comment section, I'll put it in the comment section for you. But it's just kingjames.bible. So I'm going to come back to the app we are creating, copy that URL and just paste it here. So just copy the URL and paste it. When I paste the URL, all I have to do is to come to this place here, this advanced setting, and I'm going to click no. I don't want it to open in the menu section. Then I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, that first session has been created for our Bible session has been created for us. You can see how simple it is. So the next session I want to create Imps. So I'll click on create section. This time around, I'll make use of cards. So I'll click on cards and I'm going to give the name of the imp. So let me just if you have the PDF of your imp, that is good for you. And if you don't have, you want to type it, I just wonder how long you're going to type. But I have the PDF of a redeem imp. I think I downloaded one recently, so I can actually make use of that one. So let me just try to locate where I downloaded it to, and just basically copy and just copy and paste. So that's how our advice to do. Just locate the imp, then just click on copy, then you paste it instead of you trying to something of such. Instead of you trying to look this here and there. So let me show you. So this particular imp actually downloaded, and so if you have the redeem PDF imp, that is good for you. Just copy it and just come to open it on your phone and copy. So I'm just going to copy. So this is the first imp I want to do here, which is praise and adoration. So I'll just copy this first line as the title of my imp. Copy this particular first line. Okay. Just going to copy this and click on copy up here. So if you are using Chrome browser like the one I'm using here, so immediately you click, you see an icon up that look like two bars. So let me show you that. So you just click on this icon here. So that is the copy. So when you click on that is copy. Then you come back to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to close that. Then come to my AppCreator24 here. Then I'm going to paste that section, that name I copied. Remove the column there. Then click on okay. So when I'm through, just click on create. So click on create. When you click on create, you're going to have this card option. Click on this first option here, and this is going to open up for you. So here, general, click on none. Then come back to this imp here. You can actually copy everything. But before I do that, let me just do this. Then come down. Just come down. Now you can see this left section. This left section, give it that title again. Although you can decide to leave it, but I just stop giving the title again. And I'm going to then for the title, I'm going to give it a color, which is a dark color. Click on custom, then click on color. Then all I have to do is to select this dark color. Then that becomes dark. I want that to become darker. So I'm going to come to description, leave the rest and come to description. Then just copy, just copy everything under the imp as the description. So I'll copy everything here. All right, so just click on copy. I'm going to copy that. Come back to my AppCreator24. Then under this description here, I'm just going to paste that. When I paste that, so you can actually, give you some space. If, for example, in this place here, we are after the throne of God, there's a space. So you come to this place after the throne of God. What is that? Throne of God, this place here. All right, so what is that? Under the throne of God, the throne of God. Then I'm going to click on space just to give it space. So basically, you can do all this if you want to, and I advise you to do that so you can give your design space. Then just come to this default here. Under it, you see center and the rest. So come and leave it to be center, no. Then default color, click on custom. Then I'm going to select a black color as default color too. Okay, not blue. I'm going to select a black color. Okay, black color. Then when you are through with that, just click on save. So when you click on save, we have done our first aim. So you can click on section again. So this is the first aim. So if you want to do subsequent aims, all you have to do is just to duplicate. So to duplicate any section, just come here and click on this file, something like file here. When you click on it, it's going to come here and tell you to duplicate. Then you click on OK. So that section will be duplicated for you. Now I can just click on this pencil icon near that section I duplicated. I'm just going to click on it, and when I click on it, it's going to give me option to able to edit it. So the next one, I'm going to come to the next aim, which is this particular aim, all creature, God, this and that. So I'm just going to copy this first line, just the same way we did it for the first one. That is what I'm going to do here. Copy this first one, copy. Then I'm going to come straight to my AppCreator24 here. I'm just going to, select everything. Make sure I select everything, then paste it there. So when you have pasted it there, just come down here and click on save. You have to save it first. Then you click on section again. Then you click on the pencil icon. This time around, click on the pencil icon you're seeing under it again. Then you just come here. Now this title, give you the title that we copied initially. So I still have it copied. Just go to select everything. Just click on select all and paste it there. So now that I've done that, I don't need to deal with the color because I duplicated it. So automatically all those colors has been set for me. So I'm just going to come down here and copy the rest of the aim of this particular aim. Just going to copy that, just copy that and click on copy. So after I've copied, so I'll come down here, just press my hand on it. So option is going to open. Then I'm going to click on select all. I'm going to click on paste. So you just go to that place. Anywhere you need to put space, you come to the in. Anywhere there's space, so you have to put space so that everything is going to be organized for you. So I'm just going to, after I'm done with that, I'm going to click on, okay, I'm going to click on save. So before I click on save, let me see, is there another thing? Okay, let me click on save. So now let's see how our app looks like. Okay, before we do that, let's do other thing. Let me put the video section. I'll click on section again. Then this time I'll click on create, and I'm going to look for video. So this is video. I'll select video. And when I select video, I'll come here. Is direct TV. I'll choose no. So I want to put a video. So I can go to YouTube and just search for a YouTube video. So this particular YouTube video that I want to use. So you can just search for the name of the video. So let's say, for example, I want to use this piece like a river. As I choose for a piece, you can actually play it, but I'm not going to play it because I don't want any issue with YouTube. So I just press my hand to copy, paste it like this, and up. So it's going to open. This guy is still going to open. Just close it, come to share, click on share here, click on copy the link. What you just need is the link. Copy the link, then come here. Then you have to give your video a title. What is the title of the video? So I'll call it Peace Like a River. So Peace Like a River. Then I'll put the URL I copied. I'm going to paste it there. So when I paste it there, then I'll come here. This place, media player, select player JS. See, I think you got the idea. Just leave everything the way they are. Then click on this advanced option down here. Then click on show in menu. No, I don't do show in menu. Then click on save down. So when you click on save, we have successfully created that. So let's see how our app looks like now. When I click on download app here, I can be able to download it. So if it tells you to wait for some minutes, just wait and then click on download. So your app will be downloaded for you. It's just a very small size, like 19.45 MB or thereabout. So I'm going to click on open. So when I click on open, I'm going to click on install. So just go to install it on my phone. So if it's your first time of installing, it's going to show you something like this, like Google Protect. And the reason why it's showing this is because the app is not on Google Play Store. As I told you earlier, you can actually put the app on Google Play Store when you are through with it. So just click on this more details under here. Then click on install anyway. So when you click on install anyway, this is going to get installed on your phone. On your phone, on your tablet, as the case may be. So then when you are through, just click on open, and the app is going to open up for you. like this. So let's wait for that to open. So my app is going to open. This is my app launcher, and the app launcher is opening. So I'm going to app this. So basically, this is what we have. So this time around, I'll click don't send, don't send. So I'm only having this because this is the only one I said should show in the menu. So now we need to customize everything and make everything look beautiful. So let me come back to my my app creator 24 here. So I'm just going to, okay, you can click on back. When you click on back, it's going to take you back. So let me click on back. So when I click on back, so I'm going to click on section. Then that particular one that I just showed, what's the name of that? Imp of glory. This Imp of glory, I click on this and I'm going to click on advanced here. And I'll say, no, don't show in section. Then I'm going to click on save. So if I go to my app, nothing is going to show. Now, I want things to now begin to show. So let me create one more section, which is going to be the announcement section. So I'll click on create section. Then it's my hand. I'll click on HTML. No, not HTML. I'm going to click on, let's say, text and images. So I'm going to click on text and images. I'll select this first one. And I'm going to give my section a name, which I'm going to call announcements. So I will give it the name of announcement. Then I'm going to select, as I give the name of announcement, just come here. You're going to choose an image. So definitely, if there's an image, you put. If there's no image, you leave it alone. So I'm going to put an image. So I'll click on choose image, then go to my file. So when I get to my file, all I have to do is to locate that image I want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this particular image. Let's just say this one. So I click on that. Okay, I think that's problem network or something of such. I'll click on it again. So it's going to appear like this. So when it appears, just come here and click on save image. So you have to click on save image to save that image. So when I save the image is going to get saved. Now the image has been saved. Now you cannot put your text. So you can put any text. Welcome to, just put welcome to church. Welcome to church. Hope you will have a lovely encounter. Good. Okay. There can just be the announcement, basically. So then click on this advanced setting, announcement. You want to show in the menu, I'll say announcement should show in menu. Yes, just leave it, or you place no, anyone you want to do. So I'll leave that and I'll click on save. So when I click on save now, the next thing I'm going to come to is for me to come here and okay. Because if you go to our app, basically nothing is going to change except that it's going to give us just the announcement menu. So when I click on my app here, open my app here, and my app open, you will see that that image is going to go because we have said it's not showing menu again. All right, so okay, now the next thing that I have is all creature of God and this and that. So and we have the announcement, so I can just do it. So this announcement we add. So we're going to customize our app to make it look beautiful. So to make it look beautiful, the next thing I'm going to do is come here and click on design. Just click on design. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe here to subscribe. Then I'll click on design. When I click on design, then I'm going to click on menu types. Then this menu type, I'll click on this sliding menu. Then I'll click on save. So when I do that, let's see what happened. So when I just click on back and click on back again, let me open the app again afresh. So when you do any change, you can just click on back, and you can open the app afresh. So when you open the app afresh, you are going to have this. Then you can click on this, and now have the menu at the side there, not at the top again. So you can still do more customization. So the next one I want to do now is that I want to create a section whereby I'm going to put all the imps inside. So I'll come here and click on create section. I'm going to click on create section. Now this section I'm going to come here because I want to create one section where all the imps can be. You understand? So it's going to be arranged. So that's going to be sub menu. So you click on sub menu. When you click on sub menu, let me show you that in case you did not see that. So let me click on back again. So this is sub menu. I clicked on this particular button here. Okay, this is sub menu. So this is sub menu. Just click on sub menu. When you click on sub menu, just come here and give it the name Imps. I'm going to give it the name Imps. Just give it Imps here. And now this one section, you select each section. So this, I think this is the imp for us to sync, and click on add. I'll click on second imp, all creature, this and that. Then I'm going to click on add. Then when you are through, I want each of them to be on one go because it's just few. But if you have it plenty, like let's say 200 imps or thereabout, you can just make it to be 2 columns. So I'm going to put it in 1 column. I'll select one. Center menu. Okay, I'll click on yes. Do you want to load animation? Now, if your columns as the imps are plenty, I'll advise you not to load animation so it will not take time. So I'm going to put let's say leave it the way that one is. Then click, I don't want to load animation, show title, this and that. So show round corner, yes, I want to be round corner. I'll put medium round corner. Now this one now, then I'm going to come to settings, advanced settings. I don't want it to show in the menu. So when I do that, just click on that. Then I'm going to come here and click on save. So let me just click on save. When I click on save, I've already created a menu. So let me create another menu, which is going to be the video menu. So you can actually duplicate the one you just created before. This in menu that we just created, you can actually duplicate it. Instead of you creating it again, and because we want to create a sub menu again, so I will click on duplicate. So I'll click on back, and so this is duplication. The one we have duplicated. So I'm not going to come here and change the name to video, because these are video. So this, you can add as many video as you want. So I'm going to cancel all this one, and since this one is a video something, so I'll just click on Peace Like a River. I think that's the only video I've added. So you can add more video as you want, guys. So I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, now if I should go to my app, let me go to my app. You see that nothing has really changed, because I'm here to set. I've already created section, but I've not set them to appear the way I want them to appear. So my app is loading now. Basically, this all, like, you can even see where all the imps are, but we're going to make them to appear. Now, to make all your imp to appear, what you are going to do is come to come to bottom menu. So you click on bottom menu. So this place here known as bottom menu. Click on bottom menu, then come here and click on yes. I want bottom menu to show. Now the first menu I'm going to create. All right, before we do that, sorry, there's one other thing I want to create a homepage section. And I think that one is very important. We create homepage section so that all our buttons can appear there. So if I just create an homepage section, this page that is showing just this imp now will show the homepage. So to create that is also easy. We also make use of another section, which is card. So I'm going to come here and click on section. When I click on section, I'm going to click on create section. So this time around, I'm going to click on cards. So I'll click on cards. When I click on card here, it's going to open up for me. So I'm going to give it a name of home page. You can call it home page or home, as the case may be. Then I'm going to click on create. Then I'll select this first one. So this time around, I'm going to select cards. So when I select card, I'm going to now main image. I'm going to put a main image. I'm going to click on choose file, and you can put the logo of your church or anything you want to put there. But I prefer putting the logo. So I'll put the logo of the church there. Then when I'm through with that, basically just come down. Okay, you can give it a description. Give it a description. So welcome to RCCG Complete app. Get inspired and stay blessed. Something like this, and stay blessed. So when I'm through that, then this center, I want it to be in the center. So I'll click yes, and the color. So I want the color to also be custom. Then I want the color to be dark, but not so dark. Let me just leave it as this center, this other dark here. Then when you're through with that, the next thing we want to do is for us to we want to put buttons. So you see this option here. This option here, this is where you can add button to your home page. So when I've done that, just come here. You can actually come here and give it a title. So the first title I want to give my my button is let me give it Imps first. So I'm going to write Imps. Then when you can click on create. When you click on create, it's going to appear up here. So just click on this pencil to edit it. So option is going to open up for you like this there. So when I click on imp, so I want the imp to click. You can see link. Click up. You can see link. So this link here, I want to link that button somewhere. So when you click on the link, then I'm going to put imps. So select the imps link. Now, when I've done through that, I want to put a background. So I'll click on background, custom background. I want to put a red background, not kind of light red, kind of dark red like that. So then, since the background is now red, I want the title to be white so that it's going to show well. You got that? So do that. Then I'm going to click on OK. So let me do to the other button too. So just click on create. Click on this pencil icon. Then this time around, I want to put let's say the next one I want to put is video. So I can put video. Then just do the same thing. Click on this link. Click on open section. Then click on the section. Click on the video section. Then I want to put a background. So I'll click on custom background, and I want the background to be red like that. So when I've done that, I click on title. This title, I want since I made the background to be red, the title should be white so that it's going to show well. then click on OK. So the next one I want to add now is I want to add the Bible. So I'll click on create again, then click on the pencil icon. This time around, I'm going to write Bible, then just change the color to white, the Bible text to white. So just change it to white like this. Then just going to come here and choose the default color I want now, the background color I want it to be red. Just maintain the same, okay, red. Just make sure you maintain the same color flow, red. Then section, so it's Bible, click on open section. And what do I want it to be? I want to be in the Bible, so I'll click on OK. Hope you are following me, guys. So let me add the last one. I'll click on create. So the last one I want to add is announcement. Remember, you created an announcement section. So I'll click on announcements and just do the same thing. Background, the default text color, I'm going to make it to be white. Just basically follow the same thing you did. White, then background color, just custom, then make it red. I want to make the background color red. This type of dark red. So you can make it any color you want, So then I'll open section. I want to choose the section which is going to be announcement. Then click on OK. So when I've done that, all I have to do is to come here and click on save. So when I click on save, this is going to be saved for me. So you can see it's saving. It has been saved. So when I click on section now, I'm going to have an home page section. So basically, I've gotten this section, home page section, video section, all Imps section, and announcement. So you can create more Imps. So if you want to create another Imp, all you have to do is just click on this duplicate that particular first Imp you have created, edit it, edit the text, and you are good to go. So guys, so let's now do the next thing, which is very important, because if you come to our app, all these things we have been doing is nothing is going to show there. It's just like as if we've not done anything basically. Okay, so we want everything to show, so it's still the same way the thing is, just same way. So I want it to show. So I'm going to come to my my AppCreator24. Now this time around, I'm going to come and look, click on, let's see, bottom menu. So I'll click on bottom menu, then click on yes. So when I click on yes, so I'm going to put an icon. So I think in initial video I show you how you can get icon. You can go to flaticons.com and you download icon. So I'm going to first icon to put this home icon. So if you don't know where the website is, this is the website. Let me just show you. So this is the website here, flaticons.com, flaticon, flaticon.com. So when you are through with that, just download. So when you are here, just click on this search icon, search for the one you want to download. So I select home, download the home. Make sure it is 512 pixels. So when I do that, so I'm going to choose the title. So I'm going to call it home page, something like home page. Then open section. The section I want you to open is, I want this section to open home page. So people can click on home page and go to open home page. So the second I want to choose now, I want to choose Imp. So follow the same process, go to flaticon.com, download Imp icon. So I have some icon I've downloaded already that is on my phone. So I'm just going to search for it and select it. So I can decide to use this particular Imp icon. So this place here, I'm going to write Imps. So just put Imps, and I want to open the section of Imp. So where is that section? Imps. So the last one I want to do, the third one, I like putting those three. You can put up to 5. So the next one I want to put, I'll click on this. So I want to put the Bible. So just go to that place again, download Bible or book. So I'm going to make use of this one. Then I'm going to keep the title Bible. Give the title Bible. Then where am I going to open? I'm going to open a new section, which is going to be definitely Bible. So when I'm through with that, I'm going to click on save. So let's see the magic that is going to happen to our app now. If I should come to my app, the app we are creating. So okay, let me just close it again so that you have to refresh it again. Close it, click on tap and close it. Now, if you change the icon, you may need to regenerate the app again. But since I didn't change the icon, so all right, app. So let's just wait for that. You can see now this has now greatly changed. We now have a button under. So I can show you now. We now have a menu button under here. So I can click on. If I click on Imps, all the Imps is going to show. If I click on Bible, if I click on the Bible is going to show where I can actually read the Bible. I can read Joshua and the rest and the rest. So when I click on home, it comes back to the home page here. So this is the home page it comes back to. So now we will set this home page as the main cocoa so that when people come to it, it's going to be this. And we're also going to arrange all this. So we're going to arrange all this. All right, to do that, come back to your AppCreator24. Just come back to AppCreator24 here and okay, come to let's see. When you're at AppCreator24, come to section, click on section. So when you click on section, let's click on home page. Okay, click on home page. So these are these places that, you know, basically this everything looks cool. And I want, you know, this place here now, the home page is 4 on a single line. So I want it to be 2 on a single line. So I'll come to this option here, this place here, only one row. I'm going to click no. So how many row do I want? 2. So you get, basically that's how you just do. So adapt to it. You can just say maybe yes, something like that. Or then center. I'm going to make it to be in the center. When I've done that, I'm going to click on OK save. So when I click on save, I should come back to my app here and I should refresh it. That would now look more better. So let's see how it's going to look. Okay, home page here. So it's going to look more better like this. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to make it to adapt. I'm going to make it to adapt so that everything's going to look more better. So it's forming together little by little, guys. So I'm going to click on home page here, home page, click on edit. And this time around, just going to click on adapt to it. I'm going to say yes. Then I'm going to click on come back here and click on save. So now that I've done that, I want this home page to always load first. So to make it to load first, just click on this direct button. So there's this type of direct button here. Make sure you click on it and make it to be the first one up there. So clicking on it until it goes to the up there. So when it's now in the up here, then you click on save order. Click on this save sort order. So when you do that, basically do that. So let me do one thing. Click on design. This time around, click on the top bar icons, and we don't want product to appear, because so we don't want product. We want when people search for something, I want them to search for anything in the section. So I'm going to move this section. Just click on this. I hope you are seeing the way I'm moving it. I took away that product and I want to put this search section icon. So click on this search section icon until it comes somewhere here. Then click on save. So now we have done that. Basically, our app is now making sense. Okay, I don't want this video to be so long. I may just end this video here. With that, let me just show you everything. So you can see now that it is now making sense. I believe it's making sense now. So everything is cool. When you click on this open, Bible, click on Bible. Bible is going to open for you to read. Click on home, you come back to the home page. When you click on video, so that piece I give, when you click on that video, the video is going to open up for you and you can basically play it, you know, just play it and the video is going to be played for you. And the video is not going to show YouTube ad definitely. So, okay, so guys, how we can actually create this particular app. So you can do more to it if you want to. I can do more. Now, this particular one, I have to take it away, this AppCreator, this thing. So I'm going to click on section, then AppCreator King, click on this, then click on advanced setting, don't show a menu. So show a menu, no, don't show a menu. Now I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, that has been done for. So you can actually add more. You can add more, can add more, can add more. So let me change this button. Let me see how I can change it. For example, when I click on Imps, I'm seeing this button. I want to change this color of this button to red, so that it's going to look more appealing. So I can actually do that by, let's see. Let me click on this pencil icon here and let's see where we can change that. Let's see. So I'm just going to, where is that? Where can we change that? Let me see this first. Let me see general setting. Let's see if this is going to change it to custom. And this is the background color of this card. So let's see. So I'm going to click on this icon here and let's make it red and see if it's going to change first. Let's do this first and click on save. So if it does not change, then I'll show you another way you can actually do it to make it change. So let's see this. Imps. All right, it did not change, but when I click on the imp, it's actually this background that changed. I don't want this background to change. We want the button itself to change. So let's just undo that. Click on back. Then this one, click on that. Just click on custom. Come back to general setting. So when you click on general setting, so let's see. That's what we're going to do here. And click on save. All right, so to change the color, you click on the subsection that you have put all those sections. Now, I'll click on this in. I want to change all the in button color. So this button color, I want to change it. That first method we did not work. So to do that, you click on the section, the subsection itself. We created this, we create an in subsection that we put all this. So just come down here. You're going to see this title background, which is this place. So first thing, you click on this style and click on custom. Then I'm going to see this title background. Now it is white, so I'll click on this color icon here and make it the red we are using. Just make it that red. So when I make it that red, basically that's what you have to do. Just click on save. And let's see how it's going to look now. So just press back and back. So you have to close the app and open it so that is going to show for you. So let's click on Imps. So you can see now it's now red. So you can use the same thing. If you want to make this video red, just come to the video section. So you can, it's not necessarily make it red, you can make it any color. So because I just want to follow the same pattern as I say red. So when I click on this video, just come down here, this style. Instead of making it general, just click on custom, search for custom, then click on the coloring under this title background, then click on this red I'm using, then just come down here and click on save. All right, guys, so I really enjoy creating this church app for you. I hope you enjoy watching it. So if you have any question, if you are confused, ask in the comment section. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video with friends and family, please. So now we are almost done with our app. Basically, we are almost done with our app. I like the flow of this app. I like the way it is. So you can actually add more if you want to add more. So now we are actually almost done with our app. The next thing I want to do is I want to show you how you can send messages or push notifications as the case may be. So if I should come here in this place here, you're going to see send message, send notification. So let's say, for example, want to remind people of Sunday service, want to remind them of a devotion, want to direct them to your Facebook page, anything you want to do, you can do that here. So I'll click on new message and I'm going to put a message here, which is morning devotion. Just put morning devotion. Okay, morning devotion. All right. So morning devotion. Let's the subtitle. Let me just call it. Let's worship. Let's worship. Let's worship together. Then you can actually put an image option. So now I click on choose image. So I'll show you. I advise you to put image. Just put an image section. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I can actually put this logo back as the image section. Now, where do you want to open? Because there'll be when they click on your notification, where do you want them to go to? Do you want them to stay in the app? And when in the app, is it the home page or you want to take them to a web? Let's say, for example, I want to take them to a web. And the web I want to take them to is my website, for example. So you click on that. But you want to give them a custom message. You click on custom message and you can click on next here. So when you click on next, a custom message is going to be, which is going to allow you to be able to type a custom message. So you can just put anything you want to put as a custom message, something like this. Don't forget to worship. Don't forget to worship. So this is going to appear as a notification for them as a custom message. So you can just click on next and you can actually save it. So this is how it's going to be. They're able to open it and just do that. So if you want to put them to a web, you put your URL on the web where I showed you initially. Then I'm going to click on send. So when I click on send, you see what's going to happen. It's going to come to my phone because I have the app on my phone. So anybody that has the app on their phone, they are going to get the notification. So let's watch what is going to happen. So this is still sending. Just give like few seconds. All right. Give it like few seconds and it's going to send. So it's still writing sending up there. So the notification is going to come definitely. So other thing you can do now is that if you want to give it like a type of we call it like a welcome message. So you click on general info here, then you see this launch message. Click on launch message and you can just give it a title, welcome, and the text is welcome. Now the reason the notification will not come is because I actually enabled do not disturb. So I will disable the do not disturb to show you notification is going to come in. So welcome to the best, just call it. I'm not putting this though. Don't put this. Welcome to the best CCG app. CG complete app. So just do that. And now this place do not show again. Put yes, then by default on check and click on save. So before I actually take away my do not disturb, so that notification can drop, another thing can drop. So let me show you. If you want to put add, just the same way, click on this add. I think I've showed this over and over again. So you can if you don't know how to put add, I created like 2 videos on this place where I show you how you can put add. So you can actually click on any one of these. So you can use the start.io, click on it and just get your app ID and paste it in all this place. So you can watch those videos to see how you can put add. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. So let's just open our app again and see how our app looks like. So this is beautiful app. I love the way it's beautiful. Let me just close it again. You see, it's going to give me a welcome launcher, like a launcher. You see, this is a welcome message. You see this app, you see this welcome message in many apps. So you also have it in your own app. Now you click on OK. So now notification has come in. So this is a notification that's come in. I can actually open it. But if I should take my do not disturb, it's going to drop in. Now I thought the reason why I did not drop is because I enabled do not disturb. So this place, because I'm creating a tutorial, my do not disturb is enabled, so I don't message to come into my phone. So when I open it, so you're going to see this. And when they click on it, they will see the message you have sent. So this is the message you have sent. It's going to be tiny, so they can zoom it to read it. All right, guys. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for staying around. And please, I want to reach 5,000 subscribers. Please push me to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.